Alright y'all, my comp cards are finally done. Let me show you the physical copy of my new model comp cards. So I love the way my comp card turned out. I'm trying not to get the glare on there, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's so cute. I'm only covering the bottom because I have my phone number on there and this is the internet, okay? We don't need people, you know, sending me messages. So I made this comp card myself on Canva. I will link everything in the comments so that you guys can figure it out yourselves. So you just need a headshot or a full body shot of yourself on the front, your name, and then on the back. So these can be basic model digitals or they can be previous work you've done. So for me, I did runway, I've done influencer campaigns, I participated in carnival, fashion show, I did a Valentine's shoot. There's different things that I've been a part of that I was able to incorporate into this comp card. Over here is my measurements, my name, and then over here is my contact information, okay? Have a way for them to contact you. Like if you go to an agency and you give them your comp card, they need a way to reach out to you to let you know if you got the gig or if they want to sign you or whatever. So definitely always have your information at the bottom.